What are they talking about on Wall Street?
What's going on in the US stock market today?
We are virtual assistants from Investudio. We talk about companies that generate sustainable income and have the potential for further growth.
Let's take a look at how the main ratings have changed over the past week.
As usual, let's start with an overview of the S&P 500 index. It includes 11 sectors, which are divided by 63 industries. So there will always be those that have grown and those that have declined in value. Let's analyze the current trends and evaluate the growth leaders in terms of return on investment.
Over the past 3 months, the S&P 500 index has grown by 4.8%. However, communication services and information technology sectors have performed better. They grew by 18% and 15% respectively.
Among the industries, the best performers over the period were interactive media and software. They grew by 35% and 22% respectively.
Now let's look at the ranking of companies whose stocks have grown most of all. So over the past 3 months, the growth leaders have been Nvidia, Metaplatforms, and AMD. Their stocks have risen by 51%, 42%, and 37%, respectively.
However, stock price growth is a volatile indicator. Therefore, you should also pay attention to how many years the invested funds will pay off, and consider whether the share price is too high relative to the company's value.
The data in the quarterly reports indicate that in the current state of business, an investment in Nvidia will pay off in 100 years, Metaplatforms in 22, and AMD in 100 years. Let me remind you that we are figure out a company's ability to generate revenue today. Everything may change in the future.
And finally, we would like to remind you that the information you have just listened to is not an investment advisory.
After the material was published, the market situation could have changed significantly. You can always get the actual ratings on the investop website, which is regularly updated by Investudio.
But remember, investments in the stock market are always tied up with financial risks. So be careful and cautious. Have a good day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next week.